Hello friends, welcome to the channel BioCafe. Myself Mahesh Mahajan. Today we are going to enlist some of the important protein misfolding diseases along with their defective proteins which are leading to this particular diseases. And this topic will be useful for those who are preparing for the CSI NET Life Sciences as well as GATE, ICMR and DBT examination. In this video we are just going to enlist or we are just going to list down the important protein misfolding diseases along with their defective proteins, because sometimes in CSIR net as well as in many other examinations you are going to see the questions are asked that particular disease name is given, along with that the options are given for the respective defective proteins, or else in statement based questions also we are going to get the questions from this particular topic, right? So without any further delay we should start with this. So first disease is your Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is caused due to the defect in the amyloid beta chain, and this particular defect will lead to this disease, that is Alzheimer's disease. Here we are just going to list the diseases as well as their defective proteins, and these are, once again I am saying, these are very important as far as the exams are concerned. Second disease is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is due to the defect in CFTR gene, and CFTR stands for cystic fibrosis transmembrane conductance regulator, right? So when there is a defect in CFTR gene, you are going to see cystic fibrosis disease or disorder is going to occur. Then next is fibrinogen amyloidosis. It is due to the defect in the fibrinogen alpha chain, right? So this is the third disorder. Then next is light chain amyloidosis. It is due to the defect in immunoglobulin light chain. Then next is your amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. It is due to the defect in superoxide dismutase. If there is a defect in this particular superoxide dismutase during protein folding, so you are going to see this disease is going to happen. Then next is Huntington's disease. Huntington's disease is due to the defect in huntingtin protein. Along with that you are going to see polyglutamate expansion is also there. Then we are having lysozyme amyloidosis. It is due to the diffuse precipitation of lysozyme, and again it is very important. Then we are having Parkinson's disease. So Parkinson's disease is due to the defect in alpha synuclein protein. So make sure that you are remembering this name, alpha synuclein, because in statement type question you are going to find such kind of disease as well as their defective proteins. Then next is Gaucher's disease. It is due to the mutant beta glucocerebrosidase enzyme, right? And why this mutant beta glucocerebrosidase enzyme is produced? Due to the defect in GBA gene, right? So this will lead to the Gaucher's disease. And the last one is your transmissible spongiform encephalopathy. These are due to the defect in prion protein, right? And one of the example in cow is mad cow disease, and in human we are having Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. So both are very important, as well as the name, that is transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, you should remember as far as different exams are concerned. So here we had listed almost 10 to 11 diseases along with their defective proteins, and these are very important. Fine. So I hope that you had noted them down. Each and everything is very important, so you can have them. So first one is Alzheimer's disease, second one is cystic fibrosis, third is fibrinogen amyloidosis, then next is light chain amyloidosis, then amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, then Huntington's disease, then lysozyme amyloidosis, then Parkinson's disease, then Gaucher's disease, then transmissible spongiform encephalopathy, that is TSE. हम इन्हें शॉर्ट फॉर्म में TSE कहते हैं, right? So I hope now this video was useful for you for your preparation, and if you had liked this video, then please like it, share it along with your friends, and share it among your friends, and do subscribe the channel BioCafe. Thank you so much.